If you're thinking about using Toptal for your business or freelance needs, there are 7 key things you need to know before making that purchase. Trust me, after watching this, you'll have a much clearer idea of whether it's the right fit for you. First off, Toptal positions itself as the place to find top-tier talent, whether you're looking for developers, designers, or even finance experts. The thing that sets it apart from competitors like Upwork or Fiverr is the rigorous vetting process. Toptal claims to only accept the top 3% of applicants, which could be a game changer if you need a highly specialized skill. But that vetting process comes with a cost, not just financially, but in terms of time. You'll need to wait a bit longer to get matched with talent compared to other platforms. Next thing to consider is pricing. Toptal doesn't have transparent pricing like some of its competitors. Unlike platforms where you can set budgets for individual projects or see hourly rates up front, with Toptal, you're expected to discuss rates with the freelancers directly after they're matched with you. This can sometimes be a plus if you're looking for custom negotiation, but it's also a bit of a mystery for those who want to plan their budget ahead of time. Keep in mind, Toptal's talent is highly skilled, but this often comes at a premium. The third thing you should know is the speed of hiring. One of Toptal's selling points is their promise of fast delivery. When you submit a job request, you can expect to be matched with top candidates relatively quickly, in as little as 48 hours. However, while the matching process is fast, some clients have reported that the initial onboarding and assessment phases can take a bit longer, especially when you're looking for highly specific expertise. The fourth thing to keep in mind is their talent pool. Unlike general platforms where you might find a mix of experience levels, Toptal focuses exclusively on seasoned professionals. That means you won't find rookies or entry-level talent here. If you need someone with a proven track record and experience in complex projects, Toptal could be your best bet. But it also means you won't be able to find lower cost options, which could be a limitation if you have a tight budget or want to try something out without a large upfront commitment. Now, let's talk about the customer support. One of the unique features of Toptal is its concierge service. From project management to helping you find the right match, Toptal offers a more hands-on approach compared to platforms like Upwork, where you're pretty much on your own. However, that comes at a cost. While the customer service is generally praised, some users feel that they're paying for the service but not always receiving the level of support they expected for the price. Moving on, Toptal also allows for full-time hires, which is great if you're looking to onboard a remote employee for a longer-term project or permanent role. This is something that many freelancers or even agencies don't offer. If you want a dedicated resource that's fully immersed in your project, Toptal is definitely set up for that. However, it's a significant commitment, and you need to ensure the person is a good fit before diving into a long-term relationship. Finally, if you want to try Toptal, you'll need to make sure you're ready for the premium service. It's not a cheap platform, but the quality of work can often justify the higher cost. Just make sure you have a clear budget and project outline before you commit. And don't forget, they offer a free consultation for you to try out the service without making any decisions upfront. So, if you want to test out Toptal for yourself, click the first link in the description. That'll give you access to their best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Don't forget to take advantage of the trial to make sure it's the right platform for your business needs.